Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, Flighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to prepare a door for installation. Most of the doors you buy today are pre-hung doors and ready to be just set into place. But here I'm going to prepare an old antique door for installation. One of the biggest things is going through and fixing all of the holes that are around with wood putty so you can paint over it so that way you don't have a bunch of holes in your door. Another thing is to come right along here, especially if you have a window in your door, and actually wood putty or caulk around your seams. And this helps cut down the airflow that comes through the door. You got a bunch of cracks on the inside here, also on your trim around here, and then in these little insets here, you have cracks because these are actually put into place. This isn't one solid piece of wood, it's several pieces of wood put together. So these tend to crack along here. So what we'll do is we'll simply take our wood putty, run a little bead right across there, then I'll simply take my finger and run it down through there. What this does is it actually helps push all of that putty right into those cracks of the door, and then you can just paint over it. Again, for these antique doors, your hinges, a lot of times people have painted over them. Best thing to do is to go ahead and on the insides here, scrape that paint off, because that actually makes the door a little bit harder to shut, doesn't shut very freely. You can also get some 3-in-1 oil or something like that to help grease these doors so they close nice. After all this, all you gotta do is paint it and you're ready to put the door in. I'm Joshua Clement with Flighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.